You like that hot dog? I made it.
What is it?
You know how I'm learning everything all over again? Found some construction paper, a little glue action, then boom. Made a masterpiece. You're probably scratching your head like, oh my god, how'd he do that? You try so hard with those shitty videos. Then I just pick up safety scissors. Straight up embarrass you with my skill.
Thank you?
That's not yours. I'm not wasting my God-given talent on a hot dog. What are you, stupid? It's for Miss Rachel.
Who's Miss Rachel?
The blonde chick from daycare. When she sees Warm Embrace,
Warm Embrace?
that's the title of the piece, she's gonna take one look at it and say, oh Minnie, you're the greatest artist that ever lived. And I'll be all like, I know. See, hot dog, that's not just a piece of art. It's also a blueprint for crushing ass.
You're such an idiot.
Shut up, shut up, I'm tired of negativity.
You've got, like, type on it. They're called emoticons, stupid.